Daddy, Daddy.
Look. Hurry, look. I'm busy. What is it? I see that old cat. I'm not scared of her. Okay, Daddy. She sure scares me. Not me. You ought to come over here and eat some of this over here. It's good. I like it. I'll get over there when I get over there. This is pretty good over here, too.
Okay.
Is Mama still around somewhere? Yeah, I reckon. She's behind those bushes over there somewhere. Here I come. Now, what is it you're wanting to show me? This, right here. Yeah, that's pretty good, son. Pretty good. Mama, come on. Come on over here, Mama. That white cat's still over there. Daddy said don't worry about her. Come on. I don't know, baby. I don't like the way she looks. It's okay, Mama. She'll be gone. Yep. Let's just eat.